We're boarding up.
Hello,
How you doing?
welcome on board. How are you?
Great, thank you.
It's gonna be this side. I'll
Yes.
explain now.
All right.
Thank you. Welcome on board. It's a self-guided tour. You're gonna find numbers like 6 there, and 1 is behind the group. If you scan them with your cell phone, it's a free audio guide. And you start this side and down the hall first. You're gonna exit from the other side, make all the way up to the top through this side, and then all the way down through the other side. But there are ropes that you can follow.
Outstanding. Thank you very much. And this is what's going on outside. Might be a little dark.
Down the hall.
City folks have landed up in here. They're just messing with stuff. It shouldn't be. They're similar to the ships at Jamestown, huh? Ooh, look at that. It's another good reason to subscribe to my channel. Rocking now. Alright, we're back. We made it down safely from that steep steps. We're steady coming. I got some vendors. Pet poles, pet once. Just looking around, killing time. Descending. She ain't playing, she holding on good. We'll be back in a second. Alright, we're going into the anybody. Oh, yeah, there's some reading in the middle. And we have this over here. There's so many boats, it's impossible to hold anything still. We'd be rocking. Alright, there's an in-depth look. As far as I can extend you. Some little lights up there. I don't know if you can see that because of the brightness or not, but that's pretty cool. And there's where we were a while ago. Oh. Alright, we're coming back in. Safely down again.
So there's the rudder out there.
So I'm talking about bang bang.
Yeah. Onions and watermelon potatoes. Well, that's the hole down there. Probably his generator down there.
Well, see, when you sail back to space, 6 feet.
Very low ceiling.
Be careful.
Just gotta touch it, don't they? This is set up. Nice hammered bowl. Very similar to mine. Extend you out, just give a little better view of things. I don't know what that. Oh,
Yeah,
let's fix that real quick. All right, yeah, we got that out of the way somewhat. But there's Waldo. Boom. Doubt I was going to find it. Yeah, there's the steering.
I was going to do that.
Hope it's not too quick, jerky movements. This is a struggle just to keep the camera still please. We are rocking around pretty good.
Come here, girl. Let's go climb up these stairs to this ladder to see what's up there.
I like copper stuff.
So high up, yes.
I think that concludes our tour for today. That was it. I think we're going to go hit the beach.
Oh, the steering wheel. No, the steering.
The guy that was taking tickets here told me that they'd take 16 people and they'll sail this back to Spain.
Jack Sparrow did it with 2. We'll get close up here. You see that current? It's ripping.
Yeah, I was feeling a little woozy up there.
Go ahead, check
Bunch
it.
of fishies. Bunch of teeny fish.
French fries. Ocean going French fries. Yeah. See, they don't care about weight. These guys are straight idiots for the most part. Come in here and rent a boat and go. Destruction. That's probably as slow as you can go and still make forward progress here. Man, look at that. That is cut. Other idiots, they just ride around in circles. That's it. Some of them are fishing, but like this, they're ding dongs right there. Just adding to the craziness. That's a nice little sandbar. Huh. Yeah, so this is the center of attention today down here. Let's go. Hope you enjoyed the boat view and tour. We're getting ready to get out of here if I can find her. She's going shopping. Look at her. Knots. I like knots. That's it. Have a good day. Subscribe, like it. We'll talk to you later.